Today I'm going to recommend 3 different technologies to start learning to begin your career as a site reliability engineer. The first one is cloud computing. Specifically, learn about Amazon Web Services. Cloud computing is a super popular and in-demand skill right now, and I do not see it slowing down anytime soon. One of the reasons why AWS is so popular is because it helps businesses scale their applications and also reduce costs and operating overhead. To start learning this, YouTube has a lot of content about AWS, and I would recommend starting with content specifically about becoming an AWS certified cloud practitioner. The reason for this is because it gives you a basic overview of some popular AWS services, but it won't overwhelm you with technical details that you don't really need when you're just beginning. It's a good foundation to start off with that you can later build onto. Next, Kubernetes. Kubernetes is the de facto standard for running production-grade applications. It was created by Google as a solution to run its systems and keep them highly available. If companies are not already using this container orchestration system, then they will in the very near future. So to start learning Kubernetes, I started as a complete beginner, and I took this course on Udemy, Kubernetes for the absolute beginners. Something that I really liked about this course is that you don't need prior experience. You can just go into this and it teaches you really good fundamentals, and it also has a hands-on lab to help you get that real world feel as if you're actually working at a job using this. And it's really good because a lot of places expect you to have experience, of course, like any other type of job. You have that chicken and egg scenario where they want you to have the experience, but you need a job to have the experience. So with this, during a job interview, you could actually reference this and say that you do have hands-on experience with this. The course itself was less than $20. You want to wait for like the Udemy sales that they have pretty often. And the last one I want to recommend is a programming language. Specifically for me, I like Python, and I see a lot of job postings when it comes to SREs using Python. It's really good to learn this because it helps eliminate a lot of repetitive work that SREs deal with. It has a really large community and a lot of libraries. The libraries help you interact with other systems, such as there's a library called Boto 3 that helps you interact with AWS services like we talked about earlier. And to start with Python, for me, I also did purchase a Udemy course. When I started to learn Python, I did already know Java, just pretty much like the basics. So that helped me learn Python a little bit quicker. One thing I would recommend is to definitely only learn Python 3, since that's the newest version currently. There's a lot of content on YouTube as well for Python. They have a lot of crash courses on there. But again, just make sure that you're learning for Python 3. And alright guys, that was a quick video, so I just wanted to give you this quick recommendation on the 3 technologies that you should learn to start your career as a site reliability engineer.